Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about whether or not Cochrane Alberta's real estate market has already started thawing and transitioning into a spring market, even though we're only 1 month into the new year. Now, in my opinion, the answer to that is yes, and a few signs point us in that direction. Firstly, in January, there was 83 new listings and there was 70 sales. So while that's a sales to new list ratio of about 84%, that did cause a slight drop in inventory levels. And for the first time in 4 months, we saw the monthly inventory drop below 2 months of inventory. Currently, we're sitting at about a monthly inventory of 1.5. Now, all of that really sets us up to say we're into an early start to the spring market. We're transitioning back to a really strong seller's market here in Cochrane, Alberta. And with that, we'll see some pretty big price increases year over year. And I'll touch on that in a second. Now, the main drivers of this year over year price increase was the fact that sales in the month of January of 2024 were up almost 60% over the previous year. And that, combined with a lowered inventory of about 12% less year over year, has led us to see, again, a strong start to the real estate prices here in Cochrane, Alberta for 2024, with a combined benchmark price up about 10% year over year. And that 10% gain is consistent across all property types. Now, over the past couple months, I've talked about how Cochrane has seen a slightly lower year over year price gain across all properties than, say, Airdrie, Okotoks, and Calgary. But in January 2024, leading into February of 2024, Cochrane's year over year pricing sits very consistent, with all of those markets sitting between 10 and 11% increases year over year.
Now, as I do the editing here, I realize that in the background, you can hear my daughter downstairs. So, toddlers be toddlers. Back to the video.
So the important takeaway here is that although it's January, although there's snow outside, although it very much still is winter here in the province of Alberta, Cochrane Alberta's real estate market, much like Calgary Alberta's real estate market, is starting to thaw just a little bit early this year. So with the lowered inventory levels, the higher year over year sales numbers, and the fact that mortgage rates have started dropping from last summer, we should expect that 2024 moving forward here is going to really be a strong seller's market, and we could be very much back into a multi-offer situation on properties that we were early in 2023 and in 2022. With those lowered inventory levels, if you are living in Cochrane, Alberta currently and are looking to sell in Cochrane, Alberta, now is a great time to get out while there is still low inventory. While we've seen a rise in price, we've seen a rise in sales, the activity in the market's heating up, and right now is a great time to get ahead of the rush of properties being listed in the spring and potentially open yourselves up to a multi-offer situation as well. If you need help navigating Cochrane, Alberta's real estate market, or have any other questions about what's currently going on in the market, please reach out, get a hold of me. My contact information is in the description of the video. If you find these monthly market updates helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you threw a like down below and maybe subscribe to the channel, and that way you won't miss any future content coming up on the channel. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.